Randal has a mini-me. You have a mini-me. Look at your mini-me. It's so tiny. Look at how tiny the baby is compared to you. So tiny. Oh my. You're sharing so nice. Look at you share your food. That's so nice. You're a good guy. You're being a really good uncle. Yes. You guess you're a dad now, huh? You're sharing your food. You're so good. Will you share the litter pan too? That would be nice. That would also be very nice. Look at you. Oh, you're being so good. This baby will probably grow pretty fast now that one has open access to actual food. I gotta get the house tidied up, huh, Papa? Oh, who's your big friend? You have a big friend. There's a big friend. I swear, little kitty is like twice as big as yesterday. Goodness gracious. Okay. Who are you? Yeah, who's that? You're sharing so nice. Good sharing, kitty. Yeah. That's so nice. You're so nice. Oh, okay, your turn, huh? Okay, that's fair. He says, I let you eat a lot. You're so small. Oh my goodness, that's so sweet. You getting snugged, Randal? You trying to clean the kitty. That's nice too. You might have to hold that kitty still to clean it. Oh. Oh, yeah, the kitty is sharp. Maybe I should tame down the kitty's sharpness. You're being so nice. Okay. Say bye-bye, Randal.